Welcome to Toy Reviews with Panos. That's me. And this review should be a toy from the new movie Buzz Lightyear or Lightyear. I'm sure for that, we'll see. Is the Emperor Zurg himself. Standing at 10 inches is pretty good. Comes with an ion cannon arm and 30 projectiles. I'll show you the word more. But first, the box, the side, the row, the back. As you see, this is all I know. Here's my sharp pairs. And here's the description on it. I'll read it for you. This is in a good time. Stranded on an uncharted planet, Buzz Lightyear and his fellow crewmates will need to battle hostile planets, giant bugs, and the ultimate threat, Zurg, to complete their mission and return home. Okay? Now let's open this puppy up. As I want to do, if you're for the toy, make sure you actually want it before you open it. Well, I gotta pause so we're back. And I have Zurg box. Don't worry, it's not broken. It's on detaches. Just there. Voila. The evil Emperor Zurg has arisen. Now, as we can see here, he's pretty tall. Let's see how I can in the bedroom of. Almost as tall as my Build-A-Bear. Still pretty tall. Now, let's start with the detailing. His head is menacing. And can't move, I believe. That's the move. There. And all in that, he has some cool stuff on the back. Observe. This might be exhaust ports or vents. And he has this weird thing. His arms bend like this. Elbow bends. Arms will rotate a little. Rotation on the hands. Both arms that. Let's check the legs. Knees bend like this. Feet are sort of swiveling. And now we look at the cannon arm. Let's check this off. And for cannon arm, it has 3 projectiles. So I'll load them up. So, one projectile. 2 projectile. 3 projectile launchers and then the arm. I'll attach it as a can. As you can see, he looks pretty menacing. Arm does not bend, but it does rotate. Let's see how far I can shoot this thing while it's going on. Alright, I'm going to attempt to shoot my Chromebook while I'm filming from over here. And I'll back up. Reaches just about the edge of my bed. Okay. Still pretty far. But I actually got my father. What is that far far? What's that stuff? Yeah, sorry about that. Just stuck on the mat. Overall, this zurg action figure is pretty neat. I give it about 9.5 panos points. If you don't know where panos points are, what I use to rank stuff. I don't favorite it or unfavorite it. So I give everything 9.5 or every single 4.5. Anyway, I will conclude this tutorial review. Pretty short. Now, riddle for all of you. Let's see if I solve it. Imagine you're in a room with no windows, no doors, just a ceiling, walls, and floor. And it's filling with water. How do you get out? Hint, I said how you can get out. You just do the opposite of something. So figure it out, and I'll see y'all next time. Remember, keep your imagination active, your toys to play with. And remember, focus on drugs. Bye!